Are you ready to step into science with ABS? You are? Great! Let's go and find out what today is all about. Hello everyone. Now, do you think this looks like a beautiful place to go? Well, let's find out where it is. What is tundra? That's a very new word, isn't it? Tundra. What is it? Oh dear, well, it's going to be cold today. Yes. So, do you like the cold? I'm not sure really. I think it looks very beautiful, but do I want to be there? I don't think so, but it's still very, very important when we think about the different environments in the world. Tundra is right at the top of our beautiful planet. There it is. Now, it's only the land part, not the sea, the land. The very cold land right at the top. It's just before you get to the North Pole. So that's very, very high up when we look at a map of the planet Earth. Tundra gets very little rain, so it is often called a desert. A desert is any place that gets less than 25 centimetres of rain or snow each year. So, the tundra only gets a little snow, so it's a desert. The winter is long, very long. So for a lot of the year, it's very dark. That must be a problem for plants. I think we'll talk about that in a minute. Windy as well. So very windy. That means if you are a plant and you want to be a tall plant, you have to be very, very strong, or the wind will just blow you over. The temperature can stay below freezing for 6 to 10 months every year. That's like all the time. It's really cold. Oh my word, well, not a good place for people to live, I think. Now, below freezing means that if you put a cup of super yummy orange juice outside, it will just turn to ice. And it will do that for maybe 10 months every year. Oh. This means that the ground is frozen almost all the time. So, not very often do the plants have soft soil to grow in. The soil is nearly always hard. Soil like this is called permafrost. Good word. Permafrost. It's nearly always hard. Oh, can you see an animal there? Can you see him? Let's be quiet. Let's not scare him away. It is really difficult for plants to grow. Most of them are very small. So we've got very strong winds and frozen soil, and the winter is very long. So it's dark for a lot of the year. This is not good for plants. Being short also means that they can stay out of the wind. It's no good growing nice and tall like a beautiful sunflower if the wind just comes along and blows you down. That's no good at all. Stay small. Now, these plants, they just look like green, squidgy slime, but they are perfect for living in the tundra. They've got two special names. Most of the plants are mosses and lichens. Mosses and lichens. They just stick to the rocks, and actually they don't even look like plants, but they produce their own food using the sunlight, so they are plants. Wow. Now, not all plants in the tundra look like squidgy green slime. Flowering plants have a short summer to grow, maybe just 2 or 3 months. Oh, another beautiful plant. This makes summer amazing because it bursts into colour. So the flowers, just like anywhere else, are blue and red and white and pink and purple. So many beautiful colours. Tundra in the summer really is amazingly beautiful. Oh, now this little animal is called a lemming. Lemmings live in the tundra. Animals that live in the tundra often have thick fur to stay warm. That must be very important. Oh, and this is an Arctic fox. They really like to eat the lemmings, so maybe he's looking for the lemming we have just seen. Many are also white, so they can't be seen. That's very useful. Now, what do we have here? Well, those 3 animals at the bottom, they've got really nice thick fur to keep them warm. But at the top, we've got a snowy owl. The snowy owl has really thick feathers to keep him warm. If you are lucky, you might see polar bears, reindeer, snowy owls and Arctic hares. A hare is like a big rabbit. Now that is a map of all the tundra. Don't forget, tundra is only the land, but it's really big. The tundra is big. It covers about 20% of Earth's land surface. So that's a lot of land right at the top of our beautiful planet. Are we damaging the tundra? Well, it is a very long way from most people. So maybe we are not. That would be great. Oh, well, sadly, we are. Why? It's such a long way away. Global warming is making lots of ice melt. So tundra is getting smaller every year. This is a big problem for all those animals that live there. We don't like it being super cold, but those animals, they do. And their home is getting smaller. Oh dear, that's people again. What can we do? Come on, guys. Let's try to find out how we can slow down global warming. I don't think we will ever stop global warming, but we've got to try and slow it down. Can we do that? Do you want to save the tundra? I think we should. And then people in 100 years' time will still be able to see the tundra. I'm going to try and find out what we can do. See you soon, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.